Hello everyone, my name is Chetan Portford and I am going to talk about one of the important part under the growth analysis of any application or product. I am talking about the optimization for the product. In our case, this product or app is HitWicket gaming application. The optimization can be done for both Google Play Store and the App Store application. But I am especially going to talk about the Apple's App Store optimization, or shortly we should say ASO. As we all know, there are millions of apps in App Store. So we need to understand App Store optimization and how it can be leveraged for our product. ASO have similarity with SEO, but there are few differences that we have to understand to accelerate our app performance. Before we jump over the steps, we need to follow to rank our application. Let's have a look at the ranking vectors. The key ranking features for iOS app are app name, app subtitles, app URL, keywords, in-app purchase, app updates, app review and rating, and the most important, the number of installation. Now look at the steps which we have to follow. So the first step we need to follow is optimize title and subtitle of our app. Not only app title is the first thing our user or potential user will see, but it is also plays a huge role in ASO and in ranking factors. Point to note here is we have to use our keyword wisely. Use the primary keyword. Primary keywords means that keyword in which we want to rank our app for sure in title and subtitle. App Store allows us 100 characters for this purpose. Second step is to optimize the description of the app. On the Google Play Store, description is the main piece of content which indexed and analyzed by algorithm for ranking purpose. We need to strategically add keywords we want to rank for. Description character limit for both app, that is the Play Store and the App Store, are the same, and that are the 4000 characters. We have to include all possible keywords like including features, why of the brand, purpose of the brand, and use the necessary keywords. One thing which I want to add is opportunity cost that we don't know about. I should say we don't have to use same keyword twice because it's neither friendly for App Store nor Play Store. Now moving toward the third step, that is to choose right screenshot and preview videos. After all, there is nothing more frustrating than a good ranking but a bad click-through rate. For App Store, we can use up to 10 screenshots. Step 4 will be encouraging reviews and rating, because if we have poor ratings, we won't appear on the top, and it is quite simple. So, considering encouraging reviews from the existing audience that we have, we can do this by pushing notifications. We can also use social media for doing this. Fifth and final step that we have to do is analyze and optimize. We did all keyword research, we implemented it in our content, we optimized the visuals like screenshot, review videos. Basically, it's time to see how it's working. We can use various tools for Play Stores and App Store for tracking its work. We can consider ASO like SEO, but there is a major difference. SEO is slow, but when it comes to ASO, whenever we implement the keyword or we change the landing page, the result will be instant. So there is a difference we can easily see. Because ASO works quickly, the algorithm instantly catches the keyword and it's ranked accordingly. All and all, ASO is fast. Another important thing I want to repeat, don't use one keyboard more than 2 times, because this platform doesn't support keyword stuffing. Use the primary keyword in the titles and all the secondary keywords in the description.